How to start a speech. The beginning of a speech is your opportunity to grab the audience's attention and set the tone for what's to come. A strong start not only builds rapport but also establishes credibility and interest. Here's how you can craft an impactful speech opening. 1. Start with a powerful hook. Why it matters. A compelling opening draws the audience in immediately. Examples of hooks. Ask a question. Have you ever wondered why some ideas spread like wildfire? Share a surprising fact. Did you know that over 75% of people fear public speaking more than death? Use a quotation. As Nelson Mandela once said, "It always seems impossible until it's done." Tell a short story. When I was 10, I had my first big failure. Little did I know it would shape my future. 2. Address the audience directly. Why it matters. It creates an immediate connection and makes your speech personal. Acknowledge them. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here today. Relate to their experiences. I know many of you are here because you want to improve your public speaking skills. 3. Use humor, when appropriate. Why it matters. A tasteful joke can lighten the mood and make you relatable. Example. They say the fear of public speaking is worse than death. Luckily, I'm here to prove that wrong, hopefully. 4. State a bold claim or opinion. Why it matters. A provocative statement can intrigue the audience. Example. Public speaking isn't a skill, it's a superpower. 5. Create a sense of urgency. Why it matters. Emphasizing importance motivates the audience to listen. Example. What I'm about to share could transform the way you approach your career forever. 6. Preview your main message. Why it matters. Setting expectations helps the audience follow your speech. Example. Today, we'll explore 3 simple strategies to overcome your fear of public speaking. 7. Use visual aids or props. Why it matters. A surprising visual can capture attention instantly. Example. Begin by holding up an object related to your topic. This tiny object changed my life. 8. Share personal stories. Why it matters. Authenticity builds trust and emotional connection. Example. 2 years ago, I stood where you are, terrified to speak in front of people. This is how I overcame it. Final tips for starting your speech. Be confident. Your demeanor sets the tone for the entire presentation. Be authentic. Speak from the heart to build trust with your audience. Rehearse. Practice your opening to ensure smooth delivery. The first few seconds of your speech can determine whether your audience listens attentively or tunes out. Choose an approach that aligns with your topic and audience, and make a lasting impression right from the start. Remember, a great start paves the way for an even greater speech. 4.